What's up guys, Jack of all trade right here. So we have this kind of bulb down over here. This is like an older bulb that they install in here. Probably this around the 20 years old, or some maybe 30 years old, this bulb down over here. So we're going to replacing them because it's leaking on the back there. This thing, they don't use any kind of tools. Just the only thing you need to do is to wiggle them to remove it. Be careful to removing them because this is plastic pipe, is CPVC. So when you removing this thing, you just turn it counterclockwise, easy, to remove them. Just pull them out, like, turning like that. So back and forth, and we're going to replace that with different one. So we're going to use this one now. This is new, more updated, and more uh, rigid, this thing. So, and this is what we're going to use now. But this thing, you're gonna use some tools. Those things you don't need to use tools. So, and then now we're gonna put bulb down over here. We can use bulb with uh, we're using with this thing, or you can use the push bulb down over here. This is the angle bulb. So this is the push connect down over here. You see that? You just push and then it will tighten up itself. And this is more convenient to use right now. And this is the only thing you're gonna use with wrench down over here to put it in. But everything else, you can use this thing to push this one to the CPVC right there. So yeah, so when you use that, so it's more easier and quicker. But this thing, you need to buy a tools to remove this thing, because they have a tools that you can use to press them back so that you can remove this thing, this angle bulb. Unlike this one you need to turn it. So alright guys, that's when you want to remove this thing. This is this bulb down over here. This is older bulb. This thing is not gonna be existed anymore, because like I said, we're going to replace this one with a easiest one and more convenient to turn it off, because this thing, that's not really good, because like I said, we are upgrading everything out. So but still, this one, you look at this on the other side here, they already changed that one there. So but that's not a push bulb there, that's different. That's with a thread that they use there. So for me, I just gonna put it, it's easier. This push bulb down over here, you just push that there and then you're good to go, and then just put it in this connection and everything. And then you need to put this one first here, you need to connect that there, and so much more easier. And then we're going to remove this thing here and put it in on the top down over here. Okay, when you remove this thing, you just be careful. You just need to wiggle it, wiggle back and forth. Yeah, because like I said, we were connected, just nice and easy. There. Oops, there you go. So it's coming off now right there. So you have CPVC, you see there and there. That's where we're connected. Okay, they have those old teeth, the one who's holding that. So just the same thing on this thing, they have the same thing inside of that there. So they have all this like to hold those things like a teeth, and it will compress that when you push them. Alright guys, so we just put it in right here. So we're just gonna push this thing on that CPVC right there. So we're going to put that, but for now we're just gonna put first this one here. We need to remove this one because this is different. You need to put the clip down over here for that. Alright guys, so we already removed that, so we're going to put this one here. Always remember to put a Teflon on it, make it sure they're not going to leak, or else you're going to back and forth and then you're gonna have a bad day. Because what the leak, only little, later on it's gonna get big and it's gonna be a big problem. So make it sure, put a Teflon, and that's a good thing. Alright guys, we already put it in, so we put also the one on the other side. because this thing is only clip, so it's more easier again. Right there, you just clip that thing, you don't need any tools there. You just put that clip and then you're good to go. And here you just need to push that push bulb there, and then you're good to go. And like I said, this thing, somebody installed this new faucet here. They just put this one here, but I don't, they just called me, they said there's a leak, so maybe you don't find out what's going on. So now I going to come over here and to fix this, because normally this place I take care of all the unit down over here, but maybe they call somebody else to fix this, so but they never get it done. So right now I'm just gonna finish it up. Okay guys, you're just gonna push this thing down over here. You see that CPVC there? Just push that and you're good to go. You make it sure you go all the way down in the back there. Okay, all the way. Yeah, and then you cannot remove that anymore. Oop. That's it. And then it's ready to go to put it there on the top. Alright guys, we already clip on right there. You see there's a clip. So those are another easiest things to do, to just clip it on. And this thing is needed to push. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on the water and to see any leakage. So always check that to make it sure. Alright guys, we already turned it on the water. Okay, so we turn it off. Now we're gonna check down over here. Let's get our lights to see any leakage from there. Okay, here. Okay, just check it, any dripping or anything from there. So everything is good. So also to make it sure, also always wipe them out, then come back a little bit later and check it, any dripping down in here. Okay, so you have to do on the spot that you fix there, and then you need to see any spot of dripping there later on, or check it also down over here. Just make it sure there's no wetness in the hands when you see any like watermarks. So right here, you just put your finger like this on the where you inserted that in the piece CPVC right there. Get sure everything here touch like that, and then check it your hands, any wetness in the hand, nothing. So you're all good to go. Alright guys, that's how you do to replace your kitchen bulb. So in your faucet, so if you have leaking like that, so that's how you do. So yeah, so all you still need to have the perfect the good you know parts that you need, all the materials you need, like hose and everything, you know. So that's what you need to do. So you need to have the right angle bulb to put it in if you have a problem like that in the kitchen or in the toilet. So yeah, that's the only thing you need. Okay, so next project is gonna be install the microwave into another tenant that I need to replace their broken microwave. Alright guys, this is Jack of all trades. Thank you again for watching, and you have a nice day and have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye.